Today, we're diving deep into the world of money. Buckle up as we unveil 7 shocking truths that might reshape the way you think about those bills and coins. Let's get started. The first shocking truth confronts the commonly held belief that a lavish lifestyle equates to financial security. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko challenges this illusion by revealing that many millionaires lead modest lives. The emphasis is on saving and investing rather than conspicuous consumption. This truth encourages a shift in perspective, urging individuals to prioritize financial health over the external trappings of affluence. The second truth explores the formidable power of compound interest. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason highlights the importance of starting to invest early to leverage the compounding effect. This truth is a revelation for those unaware of the significant impact time can have on the growth of their money. Understanding compound interest becomes a catalyst for informed and strategic financial planning. In the third segment, attention is drawn to the silent wealth killer, inflation. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle explains how inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Acknowledging this truth is crucial for making investment decisions that outpace inflation, ensuring that wealth retains its very real value in the face of economic challenges. Truth number 4 delves into the psychological realm of financial decision making, emotional spending. Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez explores how emotions often drive spending habits. This truth encourages individuals to develop emotional intelligence around their financial choices, fostering a more intentional and mindful approach to spending. So, viewers, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe so that you get notification for any future updates. The fifth truth challenges the commonly held myth of job security. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries eliminates the volatility of the job market and advocates for embracing an entrepreneurial mindset. This truth urges individuals to diversify their income streams, invest in skills, and be proactive in adapting to the ever changing professional landscape. Truth number 6 highlights a systematic issue, the financial education gap. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki sheds light on the disparities in financial knowledge and emphasizes the importance of a proper financial education. Addressing this truth involves advocating for improved financial literacy to empower individuals with the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of wealth building. In the final segment, the widely debated notion that money buys happiness is challenged. Happy Money, The Science of Happier Spending by Elizabeth Dunn and Michael Norton explores the relationship between spending habits and happiness. This truth encourages a re-evaluation of priorities, emphasizing that material wealth alone does not guarantee fulfillment. Understanding this truth is pivotal for cultivating a balanced and holistic approach to financial well being. In conclusion, these 7 shocking truths about money offer a comprehensive exploration of the multifaceted nature of personal finance. Each truth challenges preconceived notions, encourages introspection, and provides valuable insights for building a secure and fulfilling financial future. Embracing these truths empowers individuals to make informed decisions, cultivate healthy financial habits, and ultimately achieve a more balanced and prosperous life. There you have it, 7 shocking truths about money that might just reshape your financial mindset. If you found this eye opening, don't forget to hit the like button, share with fellow money enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of finance. Until next time, happy financial exploration, take care, and bye bye.